right, guys, 2025 Toyota Corolla. We're doing matte PPF on this one. It's gonna be a big process. Of course, the paint is gonna be all matte. All the black is gonna be gloss. We're still debating on the roof if we're gonna do matte or do gloss on it as well. We're gonna tint the windows. So it's gonna be a long video. Keep watching.
Catch me chillin' with the plug in Miami. I'm looking like designer drugs from Miami. I know my haters can't stand me, cause life been too sweet, no candy. Catch me chillin' with the plug in Miami. I'm looking like designer drugs from Miami. I know my haters can't stand me, cause life been too sweet, no candy. Coming where I come from, you can't take things for granted. They never understand me, like I'm from a whole nother planet. Had to make the right moves with the cards I was handed. Had to flip these situations and stick the landing. And I know that sounds sweet, and it fill you with envy. Had the spotlight now, but dark times I had plenty. Fake friends was acting up, they deserve an Emmy. For the ones that stayed down, you deserve a kidney. Yeah. Catch me chillin' with the plug in Miami. I'm looking like designer drugs from Miami. I know my haters can't stand me, cause life been too sweet, no candy. Catch me chillin' with the plug in Miami. I'm looking like designer drugs from Miami. I know my haters can't stand me, cause life been too sweet, no candy. trying to change they tone now that I'm finally on. They see I got motion, so now they hit my phone. I ain't respond to the gossip cause I'm in my zone. You wasn't down with me before, so now the door is closed. And I got $1 million on my mind. And time is money, so I bought a rollie just to shine. And I'm about to cop some real estate because it's prime. And cop some formats for the team so they in luxury when they slide. That white Mercedes fresh off that lot, yeah, it's riding like it's a go. That new designer fresh from that runway, you can't find this in the store. When I was just chillin' in the A, but 5 hours later find me on the coast. Make a quick bag when I'm in the A, and I make a quick play when I'm in the low. And I know they wish that they could catch up, but they can't catch us cause I'm moving, I shake. Put them boys in their place like I'm moving real estate. Don't think I ever understand the hate. If they only knew what was at stake. They've been thinking this hit sweet, but this ain't sweet, this ain't okay. Catch me chillin' with the plug in Miami. I'm looking like designer drugs from Miami. I know my haters can't stand me, cause life been too sweet, no candy. Catch me chillin' with the plug in Miami. I'm looking like designer drugs from Miami. I know my haters can't stand me, cause life been too sweet, no candy.
Let's go take a look. So right over here.
Man. That's nice. Is it my car? Doesn't look like my car.
Right.
Oh, that's badass, man.
Now let's talk matte. What do you think?
Oh man, I love it, man.
I think it changed the whole car.
Yeah, you can see like more of the curves.
Exactly.
Right?
Yep, more body lines. Like, I didn't even know this was there until we
Oh
did
yeah,
it.
you're right, you're right.
I'm like, oh, that's stemmed out.
I noticed this one over here,
Yeah, on the back bumper.
right here too.
Yeah, yeah.
But that I didn't notice right there. But now you can see it more.
What do you think on the GR letters?
Sure, yeah.
So we left them gloss.
Yeah, you just left them like that. Yeah, you remember you told me. It's
Then
nice, man.
Handles are done. So yeah, same thing, all the black. So all the black got done in regular gloss. Then the body got it in matte. And then the windows, tinted all the windows.
Damn.
You like it?
Oh, I love it, man. Beautiful.
Is this
Yeah.
the first matte car that you ever did?
Oh yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah?
my first,
Okay.
everything, man.
Why matte?
Man, it's a lot of reasons, man. It just looks better.
Yeah?
Stands out more. You rarely see these type of like colors, you know.
Yeah, I think when we started applying the film to the paint and it started showing the color, we were all like, "Oh man, it's gonna look nice." Yeah, it's gonna pop. It's gonna look nice.
Nah, yeah, it
He's gonna like it.
I don't know if you've ever seen it on the Marizo edition.
Okay.
That's the type of color. Like it was a flat gray,
Okay.
and that's what I was going for right there. That's perfect, man. You guys did a good job.
And I think everything blends too with the tints, the little bit of gloss that we did. You know, kept it, you know, legal. Kept it, you know, the piano black on it.
Yeah.
Because I know we talked a little bit about going matte on those too. But I'm like, no, I think it should be.
Nah,
It should be good.
that
Just
is
you know,
badass,
keeping
man.
it that way. But yeah, the only thing that is not covered will be the actual this piece right here.
Yeah.
But we did put a piece in there, piece in there, piece in there. All this is done.
Gotcha.
So the whole front end is essentially protected too.
Okay.
That's the cool thing about the matte PPF.
Yeah.
A lot of people will be like, well, you can vinyl it. Sure you can. But you're not gonna get the actual protection. The paint
Right.
is the paint on this car is flawless.
Yeah.
And you're gonna keep it that way.
Right.
Let's say, I don't know, 5 years, 6 years from now, you're like, all right, cool, I'm tired of it. You want to rip it out, that paint is gonna be
Still good,
spotless.
right?
Because at that point the PPF protected it.
Oh yeah, man.
So
You guys did good, man.
it's time for you to enjoy it.
Been waiting, man. I've been aching.
I know, right?
Calling you almost every day.
I know. And we were like, all right, cool. Come on, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it going.
Nah,
Yeah,
you
no,
guys
I
did
think
good.
we came out to a part of the install that it was tedious. It was like a lot of pieces. We counted what? 85 pieces on the black? 86 pieces of black that we covered. Which it was insane. We were like, oh yeah, we got all the big pieces down. And now the black, it was like, oh man, 86. Yeah, even this piece right here got a piece.
Yeah.
So the mirror.
The mirrors too. Nah, it looks
Yeah,
sick,
time
man.
for you to enjoy, man. I think you waited
Enough. Love it, man.
Once again,
Appreciate
thank
it.
you.
No,
Thank you for
thank
your
you,
business.
man.
And then if you need your car looking this way, give us a call.